Now that crypto is legal tender in the United States, here are 3 crypto millionaire tips that I wish someone would have told me 9 years ago. And these are things that'll help you now in the upcoming bull run that we may have started, but it's not too late to take advantage of. And if you find these 3 tips helpful, put a number 3 in the comment and please share this with a crypto curious friend. Okay, number 1, ecosystems. Ecosystems matter. And what do I mean by crypto ecosystems? What I'm really talking about are keep an eye out for layer 1 blockchains. Things like Ethereum, AVAX, Sui, Solana, etc. These are the racetracks or the rails that entire ecosystems are built on. These ecosystems or layer 1 blockchains are what recruit developers, they recruit money, liquidity, and they create quite literally network effects that drive up adoption and speculation. However, not all layer 1 blockchains are created equal. So tip number 1, identify the incumbents and the new blue chip layer 1 blockchains that are developing ecosystems that have hype, that have momentum, that have that velocity, that are developing new protocols or recruiting new development teams that are building new awesome stuff on them. Quite often, entire ecosystems can outperform entire sectors, narratives, or other asset classes altogether. Little pro tip on tip number 1 is find the blockchains, find the ecosystems that are outperforming Bitcoin. Think Sui, think XRP, and now in recent days, think Ethereum. Since Bitcoin is the standard, whenever you find an ecosystem that is outperforming Bitcoin, which is an ecosystem in and of itself, Bitcoin is a layer 1 network. When you find those networks that are outperforming Bitcoin, you know that they're doing something right. Now, don't forget to bookmark this video because what I'm about to tell you next is going to be something you want to watch a couple of times. So now that we have tip number 1, which is find the ecosystems that have the heat, that have the hype, that have the momentum, tip number 2 is to go down 1 layer on that ecosystem that you found and find what we call the high beta plays. A high beta play is basically a smaller market cap project that has a very useful utility on that network and could potentially be a cross-network utility. I'll give you a great example of that. That's Chainlink. It has a cross-chain interoperability protocol that it has launched now as an Oracle service that basically every other blockchain or network out there uses to provide data security, proof of